My name's Frank Lyda, and I'm at the golf course superintendent at the Plantation Golf Club in Fort Myers, Florida.
My name is Jeff Glaze. I work for Glaze Golf Construction. We work in Southwest Florida, Naples, Fort Myers. Most of our work is renovations, remodels. We redo greens, tees, bunkers.
We're closed for 5 months this summer to renovate the greens as well as do some bunker work and some landscape work throughout the course. We will be using the Wacker Neuson equipment. We've already had some loaders in here to help move extra materials around for bunker sand and some other things. And we'll also be using rollers and plate compactors to compact that sand and also to roll the surface of the new greens and the surrounds.
On this golf course, we're renovating the greens and bunkers. We're using Wacker Neuson dumpers, loaders, skid steers, and a plate compactor.
The vibratory features of the Wacker Neuson roller are really beneficial to us in preparing the surfaces for play when we open up. It enables us to go along the existing grass and sod lines to roll those to really make sure that the areas are smooth and that no one will be able to tell that we've actually done anything.
The Wacker Neuson dumpers are very maneuverable, and we think we have better visibility from the Wackers compared to some of the other dumpers. We pretty much replaced most of our tractors and trailers with dumpers.
The thing I like best about Wacker Neuson is it is a very durable and dependable piece of equipment, and another benefit of the equipment is just really easy to operate.
The most challenging thing for us is we have such a small time frame to get things done. The Wacker Neuson equipment is good to get things done quickly.